Hey everybody, it's me again, Lisa the Junk Diva. My stupid name. Anyways, I got a box just today from H-Mart. And if you don't know what H-Mart is, it's a Asian grocery store that you can purchase things like foodstuffs. Anyways, I'm going to open it. You want to?
Yeah, I'll take it from here, the camera, I mean.
Yeah.
We probably should.
Pinkie Pie.
Yes.
Probably should what?
Probably should have turned the light on. Because the lighting sucks in here today because it's gonna freaking rain.
Yes.
Also, we got Terabyte on. Well, he's not on, but he's charging.
Yeah, he's trying to charge. Okay. Also, I got my leg lasered today. I got a laser treatment because I have a vein that's bulging out in my leg, and they're trying to make it retreat back to a normal size. So I'm gonna be walking around a lot today.
Yeah, definitely.
From getting a okay. Let's see. All right.
Pretty soon we're supposed to be getting stuff from Japan, so we'll be making a video on that pretty soon. Whenever.
Oh, this is big. Okay, I ordered some beef bulgogi marinade.
No wonder why this thing is heavy. This is full.
Korean. That's huge. Okay, well this was a good deal. I got it for like $4 at H-Mart, so that's pretty good.
This saves us buying at least a few groceries.
Okay. Kewpie mayonnaise.
This stuff is freaking great.
Yeah, this one is a lower fat type. It's Japanese, as you can tell by the letters. I think it's 80% less fat than the regular Kewpie mayonnaise. There's the back of it.
I don't know if anybody can read that because it's all in Japanese.
It's from Japan.
Yeah.
Anyway, that is huge. I didn't know it was that big. Okay. One of my favorite Korean things. Seaweed soup with rice. So, this is just one of those ones you get and you throw some water in and you heat it up in the microwave. Okay. Banana milk. This is not the usual brand of banana milk I get, which is the one that the classic banana milk everybody knows.
It's so loves. Special they had to wrap it up in bubble wrap.
Yeah. But this is another brand I'm going to try and see if I like it or not. It's got a monkey on it.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah. It's the only kind they had left. Because the Bingray one, or however you pronounce it, is out of stock. So I got 2 of those. I got 3 pounds of Korean style noodles. So
I always think they look like straw in there. Like,
yeah, like, these ones are thinner than the ones I've gotten in the past.
Look at those.
These are somen noodles. Somen. I don't know. I'll find out about it. K-drama lovers.
Coffee sticks.
Are you zoomed in too far? You got it?
Okay. I just zoomed in on it.
Okay. That's the Korean side, and this is the English side. These are in all the K-dramas. These sticks of coffee, and they're really good. And
if Leslie's watching this, what is it called? The Mocha Gold Mild Coffee Mix.
Maxim Mocha Gold Mild. If you watch any K-dramas, you'll see people making coffee with these sticks. Like in the film, or in the one K-drama, My Mister. The girl steals these from work and takes them home, and she makes herself some coffee because she can't afford. She's too poor. She can't afford to buy her own coffee. It's a really good K-drama. One of the old ones.
More of that banana milk.
More banana milk. There's just no substitute for Korean banana milk that you get in Korea. That's in the bottles. Okay, 2 more things. Noodles. This is some type of a fried noodle that I wanted to try. It's called mee goreng fried noodles. And where are these from? Oh, product of Indonesia. Okay, and then last thing, and I definitely need to get up because my leg is killing me. This is Nongshim white jampong noodles. I believe these are Korean. Yeah, these are Korean noodles, and I've never had. Never had those type either. Okay.
No, no wonder why it was heavy. I had to lift this thing in here.
Oh,
Look at all that in that one box.
killing me.
Oh, don't hurt Pinkie Pie with the
sorry.
box.
Sorry, Miss Pinky. Okay. Well, that's my haul from Kmart.
H-Mart.
H-Mart. I'm really impressed with how big this is, and I hope it tastes good. And yeah, terabyte.
Terabyte says goodbye.
Alright, and I ordered some stuff from Olive Young. Squid Game stuff. We'll be looking for that in my next video too. Probably in a week or two. Alright, bye.
How do I end this again?
Hit the square button.